Welcome to OneSearch. This is tip number 10. This video will show you how to narrow your search results to a specific period of time, or maybe a time range between different years. So let's give it a try. Let's do snails and bees. See what we find. Okay, so here are our 4,481 results for snails and bees. But we're interested in narrowing the time range in some kind of way. So the one way you can do that is to go over here to the search results, and under Refine By, there's this Sort By. There's a little drop-down menu here under Relevance, and you have the option of doing Date Newest or Date Oldest. Let's try Date Newest. Okay, so if we look here, the first result is 2018. Go down a little bit, still 2018. So we've got some fairly recent publications, and it might be that you need to be researching things that are fairly recent, but maybe you want something from a specific time period. So we'll change this back to where it was and scroll down here, and you can do a publication date. Refine. So right now it's from 1800 to 2018, but maybe we want to do it a little differently than that. So we can change this to, say, 1960 to 1970. Maybe we're interested in what's been going on this topic in that particular decade. Click Refine. And now the results are only going to be from the 60 to 70. Okay, and you can see that here. So these are much older, but only from that specific time period. Okay, and you can see it here, that filter. It shows you what that filter is. You could reset that. So that's how you can specify a certain time period for the results, to limit it to a particular time period if that's what you're interested in doing. Hope that helps. Thanks.